This awesome DS diving is booked Twilick. It is August 14th, 2023. I got called out here to fix up a water line. I went ahead and cleaned the whole entire water line all the way up to here. Let's go have a look at her. It's pretty. Got this as best as I could. I could have worked on it a little bit longer, but I got that nasty storm approaching. But I scrubbed it pretty good for you. Alright, let's keep cruising. There's this stuff here that's just not coming off. I took the scraper to it. Besides that, everything else is coming up. Got a little bit of bubbling right there. I don't know if you can see that in the video. Okay. More bubbling right there. Right there. Thank you for choosing DS diving.